करो ना। चलो
Good morning, everyone. So today I woke up quite late, and look who I woke up to. I woke up around, I think, 10 a.m. today. Let me show you what I did throughout the day. So after I woke up, I took him out on a walk. When I came back and I took a nice shower, that was really good, made me feel better. And then I combed my hair and just, got ready for the day. To start with, for the first thing in the morning, I like to cut a lemon into 4 pieces and squeeze it in a glass of water and drink it. It helps with digestion and overall gut health, and has a lot of benefits. So I have been consuming this ever since I was a child. I also quite like to use chia seed in my water and soak it up for around 5 to 10 minutes, and then I drink it. And then I cooked breakfast. We went to the Apple store because I wanted to buy something and also change my adapter. I then brought home a pizza from Pizza Hut. I like Pizza Hut pizzas more than Domino's because I think they're somewhat better. After that, I studied for a while. fell asleep and I woke up around 8 p.m. So I decided to prep for my dinner. I would any day suggest you guys to make this fried rice. It's so easy to make, yet it's so tasty. You can follow my recipe, it will turn out good.